Incredible! Hello, my dear subjects. I'm Queen Ducky, and I welcome you to this video. And I'm Chef Pierre. Welcome, Your Majesty. Thank you, my dear subject. Today we want to make cupcakes, but for the microwave. This is a ready mix of a mini cupcake prepared in a cup and then in the microwave. There is our glass cup. There is the micro blooper. The milk. The powdery. Please recycle. What now? Stir the This looks like a very delicious cake. And by the way, the spoon is stolen from Iceland Air. So this this is a cake, microwave cake. Your Majesty, I think you better eat it. Yes, it looks terrible, but it tastes more or less like real cake. Like a real cake. Incredible. Bye bye for now.